While most people eat their coconuts and throw the shells, I collect them. I do a lot of interesting stuff with coconut shells, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorites, the tea light lamp. The first step is choosing and sorting coconuts as per the design that you have in mind. I have chosen 3 different size coconut halves for this project. You can proceed in different ways. In this first one, I leveled the rim of the coconut before I made the design. For this second one, which is the smaller coconut, I have first drawn the design with a pencil so that I can skip the leveling step and go straight to cutting the design. You can see I use a DeWalt angle grinder and super thin metal cutting discs for this task, as the coconut shell is very hard and tough. At this stage, I do want to add for all the viewers that please note that this is a very dangerous task. It looks very easy on the screen, but in this video right now the angle grinder is rotating at 14,500 rpm and has a very high torque, and you need a lot of experience and arm strength to be able to use and handle this machinery safely. So please exercise caution and use all safety equipment. The basic shape of the 3 lamps is now ready. The small one has been cut in the lotus pattern. The second one does not have sharp edges and it resembles a rose flower. The third one is also a variation of the lotus. Next comes the designs on the side of the lamps. These are really dependent on the imagination and your ability to use the tools. I have used a combination of thinner and wider cuts strategically placed to make beautiful designs, so that when the lamp is lit, you can see the light shining through it. We then remove the husk and polish the surface of the coconut with the use of a 120 grit grinding disc, and while you are doing that, we also flatten the bottom of the coconuts so that it can stand firmly on any surface. Our 3 beautiful tea light lamps are now ready. You can apply some cooking oil with a cloth on these lamps to make them shine. Hope you enjoyed watching the making of these beautiful lamps. Do like, subscribe, share and comment if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.